Boost your English, one quiz at a time.
Welcome to our oral reading comprehension quiz for 6th grade. Today, we have a fun story about summer vacation. First, we're going to read the passage together, and then you'll answer some questions to see how well you understood it. Listen carefully and try your best. Emma's awesome summer vacation. Emma couldn't wait for summer vacation to start. When school finally ended, she packed her suitcase with shorts, t-shirts, and her favorite sunglasses. Emma and her family drove to the beach. The sun was bright, and the ocean waves were loud. Every morning, Emma built big sandcastles with her little brother Liam. They loved adding shells and sticks to make them look like real castles. One afternoon, Emma's family went on a boat tour. Emma was excited but also a little scared. When the boat started moving fast over the waves, she held her dad's hand tightly. Soon, she began to laugh because the splashing water felt cool on her face. In the evenings, they walked along the beach and watched the sunset. Emma collected pretty rocks and sea glass to bring home. She felt happy and wished summer would never end. Now, let's answer the questions. Relax and do your best. Question 1. Where did Emma and her family go for summer vacation? The answer is the beach. Question 2. What did Emma and Liam build in the sand? The answer is sandcastles. Question 3. How did Emma feel when the boat started moving fast? The answer is excited but a little scared. Question 4. What made Emma laugh on the boat? The answer is the cool water splashing on her face. Question 5. What did Emma collect during her walks on the beach? The answer is rocks and sea glass. Question 6. True or false, Emma wanted summer vacation to end quickly. The answer is false. Question 7. Why did Emma hold her dad's hand on the boat? The answer is because she was scared when the boat moved fast. Well done for finishing the quiz. You did amazing listening and answering the questions. Keep practicing your reading and listening skills. You're becoming a fantastic reader.
How'd you do? Share your score in the comments. Want more engaging English quizzes? Subscribe, new ones every week.